Broadcasting from the Nuki, Kenya, the Me and Larry reality video show. Once again, the reality video series of Birds of a Feather with the two male hens who gonna grow to roosters. Kabaki. Right now, Kabaki is the one that is the beat up bird. Right here. He's hiding from the camera, of course. Kabaki. Kabaki, there you go. You see his upper beak got beat in. He's trying to hide the evidence that he was a beaten and abused bird. He's a beaten and abused bird right here. Okay. He's a beaten and abused bird, and the one that beat him up, yeah, there he is, the tough Waila, Waila. And what was in stake was the girls, the hens. You know, it's just like two gang rivals fighting because they saw a girl and one embarrassed the other one, and his boy said, "Hey man, we didn't like that. Man, you gotta do something. Shoot him up. Bang bang." So here's Raila, the proud bird, and I think he got the girls in the house. He's like a pimp. He said, "You girls, you get in there and lay those eggs for me. I want them fast. I want them eat fast and in a hurry. So when the owner comes to get the eggs, I get paid, huh? You girls get paid, huh?" Wow, poor Kabaki. He's a beat down bird. Raila, Raila, Raila. Oh, Kabaki, excuse me. I'm trying to scare you, Kabaki. Kabaki, look at that. Look at that. Look at this. Look at the head. Look at the head. The head is beat in. The beak is beat in. Look at the head. Got beat up. Raila did a number on that head. Oh, my head is hurt. Look at that head. That poor head is beaten. Poor Kabaki. Yeah, that's not good. Kabaki saying, "Oh, boy, Kabaki, my head hurts. Boy, Kabaki, head is hurting." Let me see you. You see? Look at her. Look at that head. Poor head. Wow. Good old Raila. He's the bird. The pimp bird. Come on, Raila. There's Raila. That's it. Between the proud bird right here, Raila. And our beaten bird, Kabaki. That's it. This is LTL, reality video series of Birds of a Feather. Now we are sounding off.